Hi guys, Omar here with the Samsung Galaxy IconX 2018 edition. In this series of videos I'm going to go through how to use these earbuds and how to connect and stuff, but the first video here is just a tour around the product itself, just so you can see what Samsung have to offer here. So first of all, Samsung logo embossed on the top. This is the pill shaped cradle design that you see most true wireless earbuds in. Now going around the back, first of all, you've got an LED light. This will show you the battery status of the cradle itself. So the cradle holds 4 hours and the buds themselves hold 4 hours as well. You have a USB type C connect on the back, and you have the pairing Bluetooth button on the back also. So you need to put the earbuds in the cradle itself to pair them with either your phone or your PC or Mac. So on the bottom, there's nothing really on the bottom, if I'm honest with you, just a couple of CE labels and all that kind of stuff. On the front, you have, as you can see here, you have the red. If I just show you, you have the red LED just showed for a few moments there, and that's basically saying that it's charging. So it's constant green if it's charged, and each bud has a separate LED. It's red if it's charging or if there's a problem. Essentially the cradle itself uses a tension system. So when you close the cradle lid, it pushes down on the buds. So if I just show you that here, and as you can see, it starts to charge. So the cradle itself is magnetic, as you can see. It's not really strong, so if I shake them, they will come out, but it is magnetic and it uses those 5 connectors that you see there. It does have a proximity sensor there, so it knows when you're actually wearing the buds, and it does have things like Find My Buds. You know, if you lose your bud or something, it also within a Bluetooth range, it will sort of make a noise and stuff, which I'll go through in other videos. So essentially, you put them in and then you close the lid. The lid puts tension on the buds and then they start to charge. So and you can, if I just show you here, you can actually change these fins. So they come with different ones, different sizes and stuff, and obviously you can change them. They are labeled. I don't know if you can see that. Just zoom out, R1 there. I'm using different buds that come with the standard Samsung earphones with the S8, but obviously they come with 3 sizes, small, medium and large. These also come in 3 sizes, small, medium and large as well. And obviously you can change them according to how your fit is. I would recommend trying a certain configuration, for example a medium one of these and a small one of these, or whatever your if it's obviously causing pain or fatigue in your ears, to maybe try a different configuration, and that may help. So I'll be making a series of videos going through how to pair and the functionality of the app itself. So don't forget to like, subscribe and also share. Hit the bell icon on the bottom if you want to see the videos as soon as they are posted. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.